Guys, welcome back. I know it's been a couple of months, but I am here back and ready just in time for Halloween. So let's get started, guys. I'm getting right into it. I'm starting with this black gel polish from Beetles, and I'm going to be adding this to two of my press-on nails, and I'm just going to go ahead and add one layer. Alright, so I went ahead and cured that for 60 seconds. Now I'm grabbing two other press-on nails and I'm going to be going in with this purple gel polish. It's a glitter and I am doing two coats of this one, but I am curing in between. Alrighty, and I am grabbing my last press-on nail and I'm going in with this neon bright color. Such a pretty bright gel polish and it also glows in the dark. Okay, and I went ahead and cured that for 60 seconds as well. This is how my set is looking so far, guys. I decided to go in on my Cricut Joy and do these little cat stickers here. I'm going to be applying the stickers on the neon press-ons. So if you guys want to see a video of me going in depth on how I use my Cricut Joy, leave me a comment down below. But yeah, I decided to go in with this because I feel like it's faster. And if any of you guys have this Cricut Joy or any type of Cricut machine, you guys could go ahead and try to make some stickers for your nails as well. Okay, and here is my first little kitty. I have it on the transfer tape already. All I'm gonna do is try to put it where I want it and just press on it really good so it could get stuck into the nail. And there you go, kitty in the nail. So cute. You just make sure that it's completely flat on the nail, that way it doesn't lift. I also went ahead and made this witch house, which I'm going to be adding to one of my glitter nails. And with this one, the same thing. I did have a little bit of a hard time with it just because the sides kept lifting a little bit. But I just went ahead and pressed on it a little more and then added the top coat right away so it wouldn't lift. And of course, I cured that for 60 seconds. So this is how my nails are looking so far. I was trying to decide what else to do. So I grabbed that neon press-on nail and I decided to make a little moon and a couple little stars. Then I decided to add a couple of more stars on the bottom because I felt like it was a little too plain. Just like that, this nail is ready. So I'm going back in with that neon gel polish and I'm grabbing one of my black nails. So for this one, I'm going to be drawing in some goo that's going to be representing the witch's brew. Okay, hold on, not me rhyming. Okay, Dr. Seuss. Anyways, and let's keep going with the rest of the nails. Okay, guys, so for my pinky nail, I had no clue what I was doing here. First, I wanted to do like a half neon green, half black nail and call it a day. But then I just started going in with it, just swerving, doing little strokes. And I actually love how it turned out. Look how pretty it looks. I also decided to add some of that purple glitter gel that I have on my other nails. Just so it could go more with the sets. And I feel like this made it better. Okay, so I went ahead and started adding some glue and added one rhinestone right in the middle. So this is the nail glue that I'm using. It's the Model 1s. And then I just looked at it and I felt like it was a little too plain, so I decided to add two more rhinestones to this nail. And this is how it is all the time, guys. I be changing ideas as I'm working just because I'm literally clueless of what I'm going to be doing with my sets. I'm just glad that most of the time my sets turn out good and I end up liking it. But, you know, there's been times here and there that my sets look like not good. And obviously I don't upload those. So yeah, this is how the nail looks and I'm happy with it now. And talking about being clueless, I forget sometimes to press play when I'm recording, guys. So I didn't record the part where I added the neon gel to make the houses pop of the haunted house, well, the witch house, and then the rhinestones on the top. But right here, I'm adding some rhinestones on the bottom because I feel like I needed a little more of that bling for this now. Okay, and the last thing that I like to do once my rhinestones are cured, I like to go in with some alcohol and clean them up just so they could be more and more sparkly. And look at my set, guys. I absolutely love this. Pretty glam witch nails. What do you guys think? I hope you guys like them. And now it's time for my favorite part. These are how my nails look on, guys. I absolutely love them. Every time I do Halloween nails, when Halloween comes, I don't know what set to wear. But I do like wearing them throughout the month of October just so I could get a use of them, guys. And here's another clip for you guys. I hope you guys like this video. I'll be seeing you guys on the next one.